Good morning, respected sir, and my dear friends. I am Devisha Gupta, and today I am going to speak about the West Asia Peace Agreement and its impact on India. Imagine a situation where conflict taking place thousands of kilometers away suddenly increases prices of petrol, transportation costs, and affects businesses and impacts our economy. This is why events happening in West Asia are important not only for the countries involved but for the entire world. First, let's understand what is West Asia. West Asia is often called as the Middle East. It is a region that includes countries such as Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, and others. It is one of the most important regions in the world because it connects Africa, Europe, and Asia. It also homes some of the world's largest reserves of oil and natural gases, making it a key source for energy for many countries. However, West Asia has faced many conflicts in over the decades. These include Israel-Palestine conflicts, civil wars in Syria and Yemen, and tensions between Iran, Israel, and other countries. Together, these problems are often referred to as West Asia crisis. One of the most important recent developments in this crisis has been the conflict between United States of America and Iran. The relationship between them has been difficult for many years. The two countries disagree on several issues, including Iran's nuclear program, economic sanctions, and security matters in the region. Recently, tensions have increased a lot. Military strikes, missile attacks, and drone and threats have created fear and concerns among many countries of because it among many countries. This has worried governments around the world because a major war in the region can have serious political and economic consequences. One of the biggest concerns of this is the Strait of Hormuz. It is a narrow waterway in which is one of the most important oil transportation routes in the world. As the conflict has intensified, there are fears that shipping in through the Strait of Hormuz can be disrupted. And if oil tankers are unable to pass safely through them, then global oil supply can be affected. Since a lot of countries in the world depend on heavily on oil and gas, any disruption in the supply can affect transportation, businesses, industries, and everyday life. As the tensions continue to rise, many countries and international organizations have come together to form a diplomatic solution to this. After several rounds of discussions and negotiations, a ceasefire and a peace framework agreement is proposed. The peace agreements include reducing the violence, improving communication between the parties, and ensuring the safety of important international shipping routes. Though it has not solved every single problem between USA and Iran, it is the step towards to stability. Now let's talk about the impact of these events in India on India. India has strong economic and cultural ties with West Asia. The region is extremely important for India's trade, energy, and the well-being of millions of Indians living abroad. Some of the largest imports of India's crude oil comes from West Asian countries. If any conflict in these countries arises, then the oil prices and supply in India gets disrupted. When oil prices increase, the petrol and diesel becomes expensive, the transportation costs increase, the businesses start spending more money, and ends up in resulting which ends up having a big impact on India. West Asia is also home for millions of workers who live abroad. Their safety becomes one of the major concerns in case any conflict or instability happens. Peace in these regions ensure that the Indian citizens living there can work and live safely. In addition, West Asia is one of India's major trade partners. Stable shipping and peaceful relations help India India's trade move smoothly and create more opportunities for economic cooperation. Also, India also maintains good relations with USA and Iran both. So therefore, peace in this region helps India strengthen its partnerships with both the countries and protects its own national interests. To conclude, this US Iran conflict highlighted how important West Asia is to the world. What began as a regional, military, and political dispute has turned into a matter of global concern. For India, peace in West Asia is not just a foreign policy issue, it is directly linked to our economy, trade, energy security, and welfare of millions of Indians living abroad. The recent events have showed us that in this interconnected world, this one region's peace benefit the entire global community. Thank you and have a nice day.